which is going to be the worst part about it. Also, for whatever reason, the difficulty is called risky, even though it's supposed to be very hard. I don't know if that's something that you just completely didn't notice, but yeah. But hopefully, once we're done with the intro, everything else goes pretty well. Hopefully. I mean, everything else afterwards is not bad. The only thing that does suck about Yukiko's Castle, you need to get a specific item from a chest. And it's like really RNG heavy. If you don't get it, you basically can't complete the request. So, yeah. That's the part that sucks. So, like I said before, the request itself is completely RNG. We need to get first... We need to get a golden key, or a chest key, and then we have to open a golden chest. I don't remember what the odds are for the item to drop. But yeah, it's also one of the reasons why the first dungeon is just so infamous.